What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to archive old transactions or accounts that you no longer use on Empower. It's going to be a quick video, so let's get into it. The first point is to identify inactive accounts. So go to your linked account and then spot ones that you no longer use or you have minimal activity. Next is to archive transactions. Select older transactions that you want to archive and then use Empower's archive option to move them out of your main dashboard view without having to delete them. Next point is to manage unused accounts. Now for accounts that you no longer need, you want to consider unlinking them. Empower lets you retain historical data while cleaning up the active dashboard. Next is the benefits of archiving. Now this keeps your dashboard clean. It also improves focus on current finances as well as to maintain accurate reporting. Organizing old data makes tracking finances simpler and less cluttered. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.